This is our ZigBee Smart Thermostatic Radiator Valve Controller. Packed with various valve adapter for wider compatibility and application. And featured with LED screen for clear and easy reading. It is charged by 2 batteries for convenient power supply. Long press the power button until the network indicator light flashes fast. And then open our Tuya app and add the smart valve control into a ZigBee hub for intelligent control. After adding successfully, you can now smartly adjust the valve temperature on smartphone.